These are from boxes already. They're not that good. Just didn't like these. I think they should put it down as Escalator and with the up one. I need to say that to secure. They should put it down. I think they should replace the stairs, move the stairs there, put a down escalator just at the other side, and then there'll be a down and up. I think they should replace this up escalator to a better one. This is damaged. Breaking, banging, jocks. I have to say this too. Look, it's making this noise. I don't like that noise. So that's another thing I have to say. Eurolift. I think they should put a lift just there, and we can walk out on the glass lift, and put a stairs there, and make this EASONS bigger. And do you know what? I think they should make the EASONS where Foot Lockers and move that. So down where GameStop used to be.